And yes, as you can see, there is aspartame in the Pepsi. That's what I'm trying to tell everybody. Ha, you thought I was switching channels on you, eh? Well, let's go back to this guy. Okay, I have successfully got it back together, okay? Making sure the little test button thingy is there, okay? I went ahead and glued the power thing internally. I went ahead and glued it. It's all back together now, or I would have showed it to you. I was pinching wires, and I actually had the power wires break on me because they can only be bent so many times, and they actually broke and had to go down and solder them and all that jazz. Because remember, you are in fact dealing with China technology here. So now what we're going to do is try it and see if it works. You can all watch with me. And there he goes. Before, he wasn't doing that. He a creepy son of a gun now. I'll tell you that right now. Now let me go get the other two. These two went with it. And they're put together the same way. I would imagine if you force anything else in there. Let's see if I can sit this down so everybody doesn't get seasick. But instead of the big webcasters here.
Is this thing on?
And then this.
Let's do this thing.
Testing, testing.
Doing.
1, 2, 3. Ready to raise a little howl.
Okay. Zoom back a little bit. Well, I wonder how come they're not all lighting up now. What's the other?
Is this thing on? Is this thing on?
And that's not to say they don't have their
Let's
corrosion.
do this thing that we're doing.
Okay, so now we're going to.
Okay.
I got him.
Got who?
Got him fixed.
Oh, cool.
Press one button.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld green light on the wonder from his labs began to rise. And suddenly, to my surprise, it is the mash. It is the monster mash. The monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
And so forth.
He caught on in a flash. It is the mash. It is the monster mash. It is the mash.
And it does several other songs.